Bless YaHu, oh my YaHu, oh my YaHu. I worship your powerful name. I praise you for your divine love, oh my YaHu. I worship your powerful name. Early in the morning I will lift up my voice, saying, YaHu, let this day be your blessed day. Use me and mold me to do according to your divine will. For your powerful name, YaHu, deserve all glory and praises. Bless YaHu, oh my YaHu, oh my YaHu. I worship your powerful name. I praise you for your divine love, oh my YaHu. I worship your powerful name. YaHu, you are rich in warnings, for you say go and buy a carburetor truck. When electromagnetic pulse struck, we will not be stuck. For all your perfect warnings to your people, 10,000 reasons for my heart to love you more. Bless YaHu, oh my YaHu, oh my YaHu. I worship your powerful name. I praise you for your divine love, oh my YaHu. I worship your powerful name. And on that day, according to your words being fulfilled, I will witness 10,000 reasons for my heart to love you more. Yes, I will love you more and more. Forever I bless you, YaHu. Forever I love you, YaHu. Hallelujah, YaHu. Do I have a carburetor?
Yeah, it has two carburetors.
Two carburetors. Why two?
Go faster.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. So do you think if EMP strikes, when electronic magnetic pulse strikes, you think your car gonna survive? You gonna keep running?
Yeah, it's got points ignition. It doesn't have any electronics in it.
You're right.
Maybe the radio won't work, but
Yeah, that's why it's a keeper, right?
yeah.
Yeah,
But if you can't buy gas for it, it wouldn't be much point.
that's right. How do you think we're gonna get gas at that time?
That probably won't.
You don't think so?
Yeah, we'll probably be riding bicycles.
There's a way, right? We can hand pump the gas. Can we do that?
Well, you can't make gasoline without electricity, so
Oh, that they can make a... But how did they do it in the old days? They have
the
to have
refineries.
Refineries?
Oh yeah, the refineries. I don't know what they. I don't know if they used electricity back then or not. Or probably. I don't know how they made gasoline back in the 1800s, but I'm sure they didn't use any electricity. When they boil it down and they make oil, and that's what they.
So are you saying the big well,
Yeah.
like a real fish?
Yeah.
That's what they use for burning oil?
Yep. Yep. Look it up. Google it.
Really? All right. Well, thank you for your knowledge. Wait. All right. Try again.
My name is Ken.
Thank you.
1948 Ford sedan coupe there. And I'm a 1948 model too, so it makes two of us.
Wow, it's so compact.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's so tiny. So let me ask you a question. If EMP strike, the electronic magnetic pulse happens, you think your car gonna survive?
That's going to be fine.
Why is that?
Very little electronics in here.
That's right. That's right.
Nothing.
So this is a keeper, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yes. Wow, look at the, why so big?
All the water that goes into the motor.
Really? So may I ask a question? If EMP strikes, electronic magnetic pulse strikes, you think your car is going to survive?
Sure.
Why is that?
I don't know.
Because it's not electronic. It doesn't have electronic intake or anything on it. So it will run.
You are right.
Yeah.
That is a keeper.
Unlike some of the newer cars.
Or even the new motors.
Yes.
Well, that's it.
Well, okay, how does it work? See this?
It's hard to see, but the pistons are working inside the motor.
Wow, isn't that awesome?
Pretty cool.
You are so smart.
Thanks.
So if EMP strikes, will this one survive?
Definitely.
Definitely. Why is that?
Well, I think I won't die, and so I can still push it.
Ah, thank you for sharing.
You're welcome.
EMP strike, electronic magnetic pulse strike. You think your car gonna survive? Why do you think?
Because it's all old school stuff. It doesn't have no computer chips, no nothing. It's all old school.
All right, thank you for sharing.
Yeah.